Hey guys, welcome to Trade in the Charts. My name is Rex and this is Tesla Daily Analysis number 118 for Monday, January 24, 2022. Introducing new to the channel are channel memberships. If you're a fan of this channel and would like to show your support, be sure to become a channel member for as little as $2.99 per month and enjoy special membership perks ranging from connecting with me via social media or email to making special requests for analyses of a stock of your choice. Check out the different membership tiers and find which one best suits you. Thanks again for all your support. It does not go unnoticed and is much appreciated. On Monday, Tesla was down 1.5%, closing at $9.30. Markets had a huge reversal. At first, they continued to sell off, taking Tesla down sharply at the lows as fear set in and we saw signs of capitulation. At its lows, Tesla inched its way towards major support of the bottom of the downtrend channel and the 200-day moving average, which both currently lie at around 811. It sliced right through major support of the bottom of the green channel at 960. Fear has taken over the market and causing huge sell-offs in growth stocks especially. In my opinion, we are seeing signs of capitulation as investors are panic selling and stocks appear to be very oversold. Tesla bounced well off the lows back above support of the bottom of the orange channel, which currently lies at around 895, for now at least. If this level fails to hold, we will likely test support of the 200-day moving average, as I mentioned earlier, at 811. The last time Tesla touched the 200-day moving average was back in August of last year. Technically speaking, the 200-day moving average should be a very strong level of support, but you should be wary that if overall market sentiment continues to remain bearish, we could continue to capitulate even below this level. Looking at the weekly chart, we can see a silver lining in the support level of the bottom of the uptrend channel. We touched this support level, so it could signal a potential bottom if it holds. But to the upside, we will need to see if support at the bottom of the orange channel at 895 will hold. If it does, we will need to break back into the green channel at 960 and above. Above that, we will have to break resistance of the bottom of the yellow channel, which currently lies at around 1025. So those are my price predictions for the day. Bull case, we will have to hold above support at 895, which will act as resistance if we can't hold above that level. The next resistance above that comes at 960. A break above that level would recapture the uptrend and set us up for a test of resistance at 1025. Bear case, we will need to see if support at 895 will hold. If not, we could dump all the way back down to major support at 811. Now, on to Tesla news. Tesla now runs the most productive auto factory in America. Last year, Tesla's factory in Fremont, California produced an average of 8,550 cars a week. That's more than Toyota juggernaut in Georgetown, Kentucky with 8,427 cars per week, and BMW's Spartanburg hub in South Carolina with 8,343 cars per week. Tesla aims for a few Model Y deliveries from Gigafactory Texas by the end of the quarter. And by the way, if you guys want to support the channel and get a free stock worth up to $221.50, be sure to use my referral link in the description below to sign up for Robinhood. Interested in trading crypto? Sign up on Voyager app using my referral code in the description below, then deposit and trade $100 of crypto and get $25 in Bitcoin for free. Or sign up with Gemini using my referral link in the description below and earn $10 in Bitcoin after you deposit and trade $100 of crypto. With Gemini, you are able to stake a number of different cryptocurrencies and earn interest at amazing rates just for holding them in your account. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.